Guys, so I just wanted to show you guys what my skin looks like. I'm filming on my phone and I'm also outside, so it's really sunny and humid today. But we'll start with the forehead. As you guys can see, like, I really don't have texture or brows. My skin is pretty normal and I have some breakouts. There's, you know, moments where I'm a little bit drier, where I am a little oilier, but I think it's all weather based and based on the season. But overall, my skin is very smooth. I don't have texture. I say that I have larger pores here, but what you guys would consider larger pores, I think some people would say they're baby pores. Like, my sisters are always saying that because I'm like, oh, I have larger pores here, and they're like, girl, please, those little baby pores. Same thing with my nose. So, like, overall, my skin is smooth, and overall I don't have a lot of concerns around my texture because I don't really have any. I'm very lucky not to have like scarring, or, you know, you guys know that my struggle is hyperpigmentation. Like, it's really prominent on my cheeks, my the insides of my cheeks, my nose. Those are not freckles, that's all sun damage. This spot here, you know, that would be my biggest issue. But recently I have gotten a few comments, not mean comments, just comments about my videos being filtered, and people asking that, you know, I really show you my skin. But the reality is that, like, I am lucky not to have to worry about like primers for texture or pore filling or smoothing. You know, really my concerns at this point, because I am 36, is always using products that are anti-aging, always using products that will help block any sun damage. Like, you know, I'm very rigorous about my skincare routine. I'm very loyal to my skincare routine. I could be dead tired, like I could be lacking sleep for, we'll say, just to exaggerate, 24 hours, and I will muster up the energy to wash my face, to really make sure it's cleansed too. Like, I won't half-ass it. I will always break down the makeup, use a cleanser, clean with a micellar water, apply my serum, apply my moisturizer, and apply my eye cream every single night. And in the day, it's the same thing. Every day I wash my face with just a cleanser, and then I go in with my skincare. You know, in the morning it's easier. It's just a serum, moisturizer with a SPF, and then eye cream, and I always do another layer of SPF when I'm applying makeup. So that's it. I apologize for the puffiness. I just woke up, and I wanted to film this because I wanted to show you guys what you want to see up close and personal. And I feel like sometimes my lighting can affect the way my skin looks, but I promise you guys, I will always be honest with you guys. I will always, you know, accept any constructive feedback, because that is helpful to me, and I do appreciate those of you that have asked and that have, you know, made suggestions. I appreciate you guys. I'm not offended or hurt by any means. Thank you guys, and thank you guys for your love and support. I appreciate you all. Have a great day. Alright guys, so I'm finally filming my skincare routine, and the first thing I do in the morning is I cleanse my skin with the Indie Brightening Cleanser. I've been using this for some time, and I want to say it's about 4 or 5 months. I really like it. The reason why I use this is because it's supposed to be really good for reducing dark spots, and as you guys see, I have quite a bit of hyperpigmentation and sun damage. So this is one that I like. So I just take one full pump and then massage it onto my skin. On days where I want to be a little extra, I go in with my Clarisonic. This is the Mia Smart. I really use this when I see that my skin is breaking out. I feel like it helps. I apologize for the moving camera, guys. It was really tricky to try and set up. I don't have a tripod that's big enough, so I taped my phone. It worked. All right, so now that I have my skin cleanse, I go in with a serum, and this is the Water Drench by Peter Thomas Roth. This I've also been using for under a year. I like to take 2 pumps of it, and then I massage it into my face. It just glides. I do it right here, so I'm not going right under the eye, and then the top lid. And this is supposed to help add hydration to your skin. It also helps the other products penetrate your skin deeper. And then with this product, it starts off really watery, but once it's nice and set, your skin gets tacky. The next thing I do is I take my Dr. Dennis Gross moisturizer. This has an SPF built into it. It's SPF 50. I really love this moisturizer. It's what I've been using on and off for about 2 years. I like to go with this or the Peter Thomas Roth. And then I just massage it. There is an Instagram person that I follow. She's always doing her skincare. Her name is Tiffany. I'll link her down below. But she said, if you can't see it on your skin, you didn't use enough. And that's what she said about sunscreen. So now I'm like, if you can't see it, you didn't use enough. For my eye cream, I use the Peter Thomas Roth Vital E Microbiome Eye Age Defense Cream. So this is a very different texture. It's a thick mousse-like consistency. I just take a little bit of that, apply it on my ring finger, and then this you have to warm up before applying it. If you just scoop it out and apply it directly onto your eye, you're going to get this thick product that pulls your skin. So you really need to make sure to warm it up. It's the same thing with the moisturizer. I wasn't really a big fan of the moisturizer. I felt like I went through it pretty quickly. The final step is adding more sunscreen. This is Peter Thomas Roth Max 50 UV Milk. So I'm going to take some of this, warm it in my hands, and warm it in my hands, and then press it. And it may seem like it's a lot, but again, I have a lot of sun damage, so I want to make sure that I'm protecting my skin. And that's it for my daytime skincare routine. And if you want to see what my night routine is like, stick around. All right, guys, so I played with a little bit of makeup, and I purposely did it because I want to show you guys how I'm removing my makeup. I'm using the La Roche-Posay Gelée Micellar. Basically, it's a makeup remover micellar water gel. This is what it looks like. You guys can get this at Target, Walgreens, I think CVS, or on their website. And this is supposed to be a micellar water in the form of a gel that helps break down your makeup. It also helps hydrate the skin. It's super sensitive. You don't have to wash it off, but I do, because then I go in and I cleanse. So, and then I apologize about the lighting. I don't have my studio lighting. I literally am just using the lighting in my bathroom. And then I just massage this. I find that with this product, my skin does feel hydrated, soft. It doesn't really always get the mascara off, but I feel like most of us complain that that's a problem area. So I always, after I cleanse with my cleanser, I use some more micellar water. All right, this is how crazy we look. So as you guys can see, there's still some makeup, but the reason why there's still some makeup is because there's like a film on my face from this micellar water, which is where you get the hydration. So at this point, I'm just gonna go in with my cleanser. Again, it's the Indie Lee get a nice little lather going. The last part for my cleansing routine is I'm using Bioderma micellar water, and I'll take a cotton pad or two, and I just clean my face like this, and I'll clean my lashes to make sure that I've gotten everything off. That's still what was left on my face. I always take my makeup down to my neck, so I always clean my neck. I don't play, guys. Makeup is not gonna stay on this body. I'm gonna take a little bit more and just hit the neck again. This is literally my routine every single night and every single morning. Like, what you guys see is exactly what I do. I'm gonna show you guys what I use. If I'm dry, then I will go in with my Peter Thomas Roth serum, and I'll use this before applying anything else. But on average, my skin has been pretty normal. So I use the A+ High Dose Retinoid Cream by Sunday Riley. This is what it looks like. So I'll go in with this. I'll take one pump and then just press it onto my face. And once that has been absorbed into my skin, this is, guys, I love this product so much. You're gonna see this in my favorites. The Genius Sleeping Collagen by Algenist looks like this. As you guys can see, I've gotten quite a bit out of it. I love how it smells. It has like a very slight coconut scent, maybe, I don't know. It's just such a beautiful soft scent. You don't really like pick up a ton of it. I just take a little bit, and it is a nice thick consistency. I warm it up on my hands, and then I press it into my face, my neck, if I have anything left over, my hands. And then of course I use my Peter Thomas Roth eye cream. Same thing, warm it up my fingers and then just apply it to my eyes, and that's it. That is literally my current routine. So I'll show you guys footage of me applying these.